What's up, y'all? My name's Bill and this is how I do it. And these are the reasons why you should love Rockauto just as much as me. The title speaks for itself. These are the reasons you should love Rockauto just like me. If you haven't heard of Rockauto, you must be living under a rock. And I'm not talking about the one that ends in auto. For the noobs, the rookies that's just getting into this thing, Rockauto is basically it's an online warehouse that sells us parts cheaper than box stores because there is no middleman, aka box stores. And I don't want to say any names because I don't want to come across as a big up in Rockauto and down in box stores. Box stores have their place in this world, but unfortunately for them, it's not my wallet and it shouldn't be yours either. Most people already know about the savings that Rockauto provides compared to the box stores, and it's crazy. Sometimes I can find the same part at the box store on rockauto.com for a quarter of the price. Man, it's unbelievable. Okay, let's go to one of the box stores. All right, there we go. Now we're going to the right one. No, you don't need to know my location. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna try to find a part. We're gonna look up car truck 2006 Ford power F350. Super Duty XL engine, 610 turbo. Boom. All right, we just added that. Now we waiting. So we're gonna look up what's something that I need. Let's go with a power steering pump. And I know that's what I'm needing, so it's not too bad. I search for it. Boom. Cardone, how you say it. Power steering pump right here. Core fee $32. So if you bring your core in, you get it for $90.99. Okay, cool. Oh, see, this one comes with the pulley on here. So I'll tell you what. So keep that in mind, and let's look up on Rockauto. Go to Rockauto. What I gotta do is go down to Ford 2006 F350 6.0. Go down to steering, power steering pump. Boom. It shows us what we're looking for. All right, you see that Cardone one right there? Without the reservoir with the pulley. Same brand. $55 plus the core charge. So once you turn your core back in, $55.89. That's a reman. It's remanufactured. But I know a lot of these be remanufactured too. So let's just click on it. I want to see if it's remanufactured. It doesn't say. Yup, it is. Car done remanufactured power steering pumps. Right there. So this is the same exact unit. Same exact unit. $55. $55 as compared to $90.99. And both of these with the core refund. If you look closely, I actually made a little bit of a mistake. The $41.79 one is the one that we're actually looking at, so that's even more savings. But check this out. That's not even the main reason for this video.
What's the reason, Bill?
Well, let me tell you, little fella. I'm gonna start with just a couple of major advantages that Rockauto.com provides over other means of gathering parts and buying parts online. First of all, I'm gonna start off with the ease of use. With its minimalistic user interface, Rockauto, the website is really quick, really snappy. When you click something, it goes right to it. It doesn't have all these graphics and major ads popping up everywhere when you're trying to, your hands are oily, you trying to look up a part. You just click it and you see all of the parts for what you're looking for. Basically what I mean, you'll see your basic parts, you'll see your mid-grade parts, and you'll see your premium parts. And it's all in a row for you. It's right there in your face. I mean, it reminds me of Craigslist, how minimalistic it is. You just click on it, there it is, boom. And the shipping, well, I ain't gonna talk about the shipping just yet. I'm gonna say that till later. From the opening page to the end where you find your part, I'm telling you, it only can take 10 seconds to do it. It's gonna take me longer to explain that than it would for you to find a part on Rockauto.com. And again, this is not a commercial for Rockauto.com. They're not paying me, but I am available, Rockauto.com, and I love your website. And my next underrated reason for why I love Rockauto is the ability to find OEM parts. Now, don't get me wrong, you can find OEM parts all online from the manufacturer's websites and all of that. But what Rockauto does is it combines all of that. You can find an OEM part for a Ford, a Chevy, a van, a Benz, a BMW, all in one spot. And that's what I love the most about it, is condensed in the right way without being bulky and heavy. And now for my last and best reason for why I love Rockauto. It's the largest database for almost every part for almost every make and model vehicle that you can imagine. It's so invaluable, so priceless, I should say, to have everything that you need for as referencing parts. Now I'm gonna tell you something. There is no mechanic on this entire planet that knows every part that goes to every car. I know it's a lot of online gurus and YouTube gurus that act like they know everything. And I'm gonna be the first to tell you, I don't know everything. You forget things. And I'm gonna tell you, Rockauto helps me sometimes, because let's say you're working on something foreign to you and you know that this part has something to do with the power steering system. What you can do on Rockauto, let's say you're working on a 92 Ford Escort. You search Ford or 1992 Escort, you pick your sub model, whatever model that may be, and you go to steering. Somewhere in that part list under steering is going to be that part that you're looking for. In Rockauto, what they'll do, they'll have a picture and a part number. You can take that part number, cross-reference it all over online, however you want to do it, and make sure you can find that right part. And also, that right there can lead you to the manufacturer's website where you can get even more information on there. Now, this next part, Rockauto.com may not like me saying, and I do it often, but I still order stuff from Rockauto.com though. Don't get it twisted. Sometimes what I do, I'll find the part number on Rockauto.com because it has the largest referencing system. And what I do, I'll go to Amazon for other people. I'll go to Amazon, search it, and sometimes you will find that part cheaper than you would on Rockauto. And if you are Amazon Prime member like yours truly, you can get free shipping and 2-day shipping at that. So it's a win-win, because I'm gonna tell you something. I'm all for the DIY guy. I'm all for the weekend warrior. I'm all for saving all of us some bucks, because that's the name of the game out here, man. This economy, politics aside, man, everybody wants to save a little money. And if I can do that by going to Amazon, I'll do it. Okay, and that just about wraps up this video. Before I get out of here, I want to talk about the shipping for a little bit. Rockauto.com shipping is gonna cost. It's no free shipping or anything like that, but the shipping prices are manageable, and it definitely doesn't put it over the price of the same parts at the parts store. Not by a long shot. So it is what it is, man. Check it out. If you want to save some money, if you don't want to save any money, what you doing here? This is how I do it. I'm out.